Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the trendy new rosary font on Instagram, even if this is currently missing from your story options. Now the process is extremely straightforward, and without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The most common reason you don't see the new font style is simply because your app is running an older version of Instagram, because Instagram rolls out these features and updates. So we need to make sure that we have the latest update. So close that Instagram application completely and open your App Store or Play Store. Then tap on the search option and search for Instagram and look for your app in the store. And then see if it says update or not. And if it says update, make sure to do it immediately to download the latest features. Once finished, you can open Instagram and go to your story creator and check if the font is there or not. Now, if updating didn't work, we can try to join the early access or beta program directly inside the application. This signals Instagram that you want to test the new feature before everyone else. So here's how to do that. Go to your Instagram account, then go to your profile at the bottom, then click on the three lines at the top right-hand side corner and scroll down through the security and activity settings until you find the menu called Your App and Media. Now, inside your app and media section, look for an option that says Early Access to Features. Note that not every account has this, but if you do, tap on it, and inside you will see an option to join the beta program. Toggle that on and select it to enable early updates. So that's it. Now you know the best methods to force the new font to appear on your Instagram story. I hope you find the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.